Writing formal engineering reports. By the end of this video you will understand how to set out a formal engineering report. Understand what each heading should include and be able to create a template for future use. Formal reports are used to convince the reader of something, to persuade the reader to do something, or to inform the reader about something, usually for a further purpose. A technical report is meant to convey a specific message, or to perform a particular function, rather than to teach the reader about the topic. Many student reports are written as if to inform the reader about what the student knows, rather than to persuade the reader that the solution presented is valid and viable. Headings include a title page, an abstract or executive summary, a table of contents, an introduction, the body of the report, a conclusion, recommendations, references and appendix, appendices. Title page. The title page must include the subject of the report, who the report is for, who the report is by and the date of submission. Abstract or executive summary. A single paragraph of 100 to 200 words, on a separate page, including why the report is necessary, what the main findings were, why the findings are significant and what the outcome was. Contents. A table of contents should be on a separate page. It should include all the topics in the report, include a list of figures if applicable and include a list of tables if necessary. Introduction. The introduction has three main components. The background. How the situation arose, what has been done and why the study is necessary. The purpose. What the study is to achieve, who authorized it and any imposed terms. The scope. Any project limitations such as duration or cost. The body of the report. The body can vary depending on the type of report being presented. It should answer the questions, what, where, when, who, why, how. The information should be presented in a systematic way. It should convince the reader that the conclusions and recommendations are valid. Conclusion. These should be as brief as reasonably practicable. Items should be presented in descending order of importance. They should be free from speculation and not contain any further discussion points raised. Recommendations. These do not necessarily need to be included depending on the type of report. Recommendations should be presented in descending order of importance. Bullet points can be used if there are several recommendations. References. This should be an accurate listing, in strict alphabetical order, listing all sources of information used in the report. Appendix, appendices. Appendices contain material that is too detailed to include in the main report. These could be calculations, tables, drawings and raw data. Each appendix must be labeled with a number or letter and title. The appendix numbers and titles must be listed on the contents page under the heading, Appendices or Appendix. Each appendix must be referred to by number or letter at the relevant point in the text. Top tip. Make a Word template with all the headings in as the basis of all your reports. You can delete any headings you do not need instead of missing any out. If you found this video useful, please like and share it with your friends.